New studies suggest that exercise helps the brain function better, and that may have important implications, especially for kids. Early Show correspondent Debbie Turner-Bell is here with more. Good morning.
Good morning. We both exercise, and I think we can attest to this. Researchers are finding that exercise can do more than keep you fit. It can also make you smarter. So one school in Illinois has developed a program that gets kids moving and learning. These high school students appear to be working out, but they're actually trying to adjust their brain's chemistry to maximize their ability to learn.
We're putting kids in a PE class prior to classes that they struggle in. And what we're doing is we're finding great results. What kind of heart rate have we got right now?
Paul Zientarski runs a learning readiness program at Naperville Central High School in Illinois. The program was started in response to research showing a link between exercise and increased brain function. Zientarski says he's seen results.
Kids who took PE before they took the math class had double the improvement of kids who had PE afterwards.
Exercise optimizes the brain and the person for learning. It creates the right environment for all of our 100 billion nerve cells up there.
Dr. John Rady is a professor of psychiatry at Harvard Medical School and the author of Spark, a book that examines how our brains change when we exercise.
It produces these growth factors, one of which is called BDNF, and I call Miracle Grow for the brain, or brain fertilizer, which helps the brain cells stay alive, live longer, and it helps the learning process.
Rady cites studies showing that exercise promotes the growth of new cells in the hippocampus, an area in the brain associated with memory and learning.
Exercise promotes, more than anything else we know, the growth of new brain cells.
Naperville Central High School has embraced the idea that working out helps a child learn. Here, you'll find exercise equipment in some classrooms.
Their body's moving and their brains are thinking and they're engaged and they're not sitting still trying to study something and memorize something.
Maxine Kozel is a reading teacher who believes that kids learn best when they're moving. Here, students work on vocabulary while standing on balance boards.
You know, they say that having to balance actually helps them concentrate even better.
When you heard about this concept of moving while learning, were you skeptical about that?
Not at all. It was logical to me. I know that that's how I learn best. If I'm energized, I'm ready to go. And it makes sense not to have the students sitting for such a long period of time. Getting them up moving helps them stay energized, focus better, pay attention better.
In this math class, students rarely zone out because every so often they take a brain break.
We're going to do slap count, and we're going to just go up to 30.
Brain breaks are interactive games that get kids up and out of their seats.
When I first got into teaching it, they said don't let the students out of the desks because there could be problems. So now it's move them out of their desks. They need to move. They need to get up and around to get their brain going.
Rather than wearing them out, kids say that exercising before class and moving during class makes the schoolwork seem easier.
If you go out and you go for a run, and then you read, it's a lot easier to read because you feel more awake.
I feel more focused because I just did something that made me focus more.
Amazing that gym looks better than the one I pay money to go to. Now, what's ironic is that some schools have cut back on PE in favor of more academics, when actually research is showing that physical exercise is exactly what the kids need in order to excel academically.
Huge movement in this country to push PE back into schools, and that may be reason enough right there.
Well, they're really hoping that this will start a trend and that other schools will catch on, understand the importance.
All right, Debbie, thanks so much.